And today we're going to be opening some slime. Love you all. And guys, first of all, we got this from B&M, not sponsored. And second of all, look, I've got Fitbit and I've done 18,266 steps. And I must take it off just in case I get it slimy.
I've done 23,730.
Yeah, because guys, we went to the park.
Hey, come, let's start this video.
And guys, it looks like I'm not wearing trousers. I am, so don't worry.
Okay. Just realised I need to get this open.
Wait. We've got crunchy and foamy slime.
Foamy and crunchy slime. We'll tell you our honest review. We won't be like, this is so well, this is so good, oh, this is terrible. We'll actually say our honest review.
Yeah, our honest. We'll rate it like something out of 10.
Oh, I can't even.
Both of us will rate it something out of 10. And guys, we've got a tray here because we've on the carpet, so we don't want to mess it up.
What could be in this? Oh, we already know what's in the box. Whoa.
Oh, okay. So what?
Before we do that, subscribe to this channel to see any more reviews. Comment down. Oh no, you can't even comment because.
Like.
Yeah, like if you want more.
Put the post notifications on.
To see our honest reviews.
And then watch till the end of the video and subscribe to Ryan Right.
Look, it comes off. It's so professional.
What one do you want? What one do you want to?
What one did you want? The crunchy one. I'll do the foam one if you want.
No, I want to do.
Oh my god, the crunchy one's pink. Your favourite colour.
Yeah, okay. I want to do the.
Oh wow! It is our channel, so she gets.
No. There's a thing. We should open the same one. We should open the same one, and we should fit it, and we'll rate it.
Yeah. Firstly, goodbye.
So we're going to open. What one do you want to open?
What one do you want to open first? The pink one or the yellow one?
Yellow.
Best to last.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're gonna do the pink last.
So guys, we're opening foamy. Do you want to open me? Oh,
it's got a plastic. That's good. That's good. That's up in the rating because say someone's opening it. Oh, it looks disgusting though.
Guys, show them.
It looks disgusting.
Wait.
It doesn't look like foam.
No, but
Wait, it is foam. Don't actually put it in the thing though, because. And you put it in the thing. Okay, let me do this.
Yeah, you could. I'm scared. You could touch it first,
Now
round.
the first touch, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the bins right behind us.
Because you're the guest to my channel. Let me smell.
It doesn't smell good. No, it's not as bad as like other slimes I smelled.
Yeah, but it
doesn't matter about the slime. It doesn't matter about the smell.
Like about slime.
Okay, let me roll my sleeves up. It doesn't matter about the smell. It matters about how it feels.
Yes.
You'll see my honest reaction in my face. Why is it hard? Why is it hard?
Take it out.
Look, you see that? You see that? Ooh, it feels disgusting. No, it feels nice. I can't take it out. Okay, this is lowered the score for me. Like, it's hard. Lucky it doesn't stick to you or something.
But guys, we both have our ratings. So we don't have to.
It's lowered down a lot. It's sticking to me, all the foam and everything. I can't get out the thing.
Wait, let me try.
Look, you see this? It's good it's sticky because people love sticky slime. But not sticky. I hope it doesn't get stuck to stuff. It's doing good. It's doing good so far. But this part is kind of the struggling part. It doesn't feel nice. I got everything out, guys. It doesn't feel good. But it sounds. It's terrible, isn't it?
Ready for the rating? What's your rating out of 10?
Okay, wait, come, let's do a close-up.
Guys, basically, if you hear that thing, it's the Hoover. My mum's Hoover. Out of 10.
Oh, smell your hands.
And I'll give it... Oh, wait, let me say it again. But we have to say
I know what
why
I'm giving
we
it.
give
I know what I'm giving it. I'm not changing.
So, guys, I'm giving it a 1 out of 10. Because this... It sounds very nice, but it's sticky and it doesn't, well, no, it's sticky, but most of it is just like foam, not slime, really. It's really sticky, like.
Guys, I give it a 5 out of 10 because you're supposed to see through slime. What is that? Man, it smells disgusting. It don't matter about the smell because slime, you don't smell it, do you? And I'm actually glad it doesn't stick to stuff, but
Yeah, but
it doesn't do as do as well as normal slime.
okay.
Let's put this back in the pot. It smells disgusting.
Oh, look at this. Look, there's stuff at the top.
Oh, that does not look good. That looks so sticky. Lee, be careful with that one.
Guys, get my handy pen.
Well, that was like 10 times harder. Okay, smell it after. Is it bad? Is it bad? Oh my god, that's bad.
Guys,
I know we just said this weren't sticky enough, but that looks too sticky.
that's actually not bad. It's not even sticky at all. Guys,
Lily, put it on the thing. Put it on the thing.
wait, have that bit.
It's got plastic stuck to it though.
Have this bit. It's not even sticky at all.
Is it good?
Yeah.
So guys, there was another colour.
Guys, look, it's not even that sticky.
I love this one.
Same, it's not sticky at all.
It's crunchy, this one, wait.
Yeah, guys, it's not even sticky at all.
It's more stickier than this one, but
No, it's not.
it did get stuck to me, look.
Oh, it doesn't get stuck to
And
me.
it's see-through.
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's
this
have
is
some to
my
mix.
turn to rate this first,
Yeah.
okay? No, it doesn't stick to anything. That's a good thing, but let's see if you can pull one of these out. And yes, you can. Obviously, you can pull one of them out, but this is way better than this one. Foam.
Yeah.
So I give this. Let me just pull this together. You hear that? So I give this an 8 out of 10. You can see through it and everything. Look, I can literally see through the camera. Not actually see the camera, but I can actually see the camera. But I say this is 10 times better than this one. Okay, and look. I hope you guys could hear that because we just look like idiots going this. Why does that not smell as bad?
I know, right? So, guys, my rating, you can actually... Oh, my God, hi! So, I'm going to give it about... a 9.
A 9.
Okay.
So it went from 1 to 9. Mine went from 5 to 8.
So, guys, the reason why I gave it a 9 is because it's very good. I love the texture. So, guys, the reason why this is good is because...
And it's pink.
Yeah. Because, first of all, it's pink. Second of all, it's like...
Some of it falls out, but not as good, not as much.
But, so, secondly, it smells like normal slime, not like that one.
And you can't see through it, look.
Yeah, and this one you can actually see through, but the thing
It looks like a wee colour.
Oh,
wait, I can see... No, not as good, it breaks.
the thing, because that's not that stretchy. This is, look at this.
Try not to get on the carpet.
And then, what thing why it's not 10 is because it kind of sticks to your hands.
Okay, pass that, Lee. Don't the pink one just look much better. Look, it's literally falling onto my hands. This look nothing. It don't even move. Oh my god, this is actually so much better.
Am I right?
I opened the worst one, guys.
And guys, let's see if it made a fart noise.
Wait. No, that's how bad this is. It don't even make a fart noise.
Let's see.
Let's see if Lily's one did. Go on. Nah, it doesn't make a fart noise. Didn't get it.
Oh, it just did, guys.
It did kind of, yeah. So, there was a green one out there.
Yeah,
I think it's green and blue.
Yeah.
But they're the exact same, crunchy and just blue though. So, if you would like more slime reviews or any more reviews, just leave a like on this video. Subscribe for more. Lily's about to hit 50 subscribers.
Oh, yeah.
146 subs.
Oh.
She's so happy.
Last time I saw her, I was on 44.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Okay. So, please, this is our honest reviews. I hope you like this video.
Love you guys. Love you guys. And thank you. What do you guys want to... I was about to say, what do you guys want to call... What?
Link in the description is her TikTok. You can comment on there.
Yeah, guys, go comment on my TikTok. What do you want me to call you guys? Because I don't even have a name for you guys.
Mine are Ryanators, but I don't call them that much.
So yeah, go.
Is this a stretchy pen?
What a?
Look at that, look at that.
I never saw that before.
It is a stretchy pen. Anyway, goodbye, guys. Oh my god.
Oh god.
I nearly spilt this. And she just broke the pen. This video has gone badly.